The Displace Filter is great for compositing because it helps you blend layers together texturally. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, so here is my base image, and what I will do is just move out to Finder, and I've got the Affinity logo in white here. I'm just going to click drag, move back into Affinity Photo, and just drop that over the top of the image. Okay, I'll switch to the Move tool to reposition this where I want it. Okay, just roughly here on the ruins of the Abbey. And now it's time to add the Displace Filter. So we could do this destructively by going to Filters, Distort and Displace, but we're actually going to do it as a live filter layer so we can go back in and edit it later. To do this, we go to Layer, New Live Filter Layer, Distort and Displace Filter. Okay, now if we look on the Layers panel, we'll see we've added that live displacement map filter to the Affinity logo layer. So with the live displace dialog, if we're working with our own displacement maps, we can load them using this option here, Load Map from File. But for most cases, if we're just dealing with layers, we can choose Load Map from Layers beneath. Okay, so you'll notice now that the Affinity logo takes on a rougher appearance, as if it were blended into the Abbey ruins behind it. But we need to do some more work in order to make this look authentic. We can of course adjust the displacement strength, okay, using this slider, but for now we'll close that dialog. We'll select the logo layer and we'll go into the blend options here. Okay, so we've got underlying composition ranges, and what we want to do is just experiment with these nodes. I'll just uncheck linear for a non-linear graph and just experiment with the tonal blending to find something that works and looks nice and authentic. Okay, so you'll see just by modifying the blend range, the result looks much, much better. And of course, because we added the displacement map as a live filter layer, we can double click it and go back in and adjust the strength of the displacement as well. So for example, we might feel that we want to use a different strength setting now that we've adjusted the blend range of the layer. Okay, and there we go, just a quick overview of how to use the Displace filter.